once that page is all set up, every single ad you create is going to follow this simple but really powerful three-level structure. And understanding this is absolutely key to keeping all your efforts organized and effective. Honestly, the best way to get your head around this structure is to just think of it like you're planning a party. It takes what can seem like a complex system and boils it down into a few really logical steps. This just breaks it down perfectly. See, the campaign at the top, that's your main goal. It's why you're throwing the party in the first place. Then the ad set in the middle, that's your audience. That's who you're inviting. And finally, the ad, well, that's your creative. It's the actual invitation that people are going to see. So at that top level, the campaign level, you have to tell Facebook exactly what you want to achieve. Are you just trying to get your brand name out there? Or do you want to drive traffic to your website? Or maybe you want to make direct sales? This choice is so important because it tells Facebook's algorithm what success looks like for you, and it will literally optimize everything to hit that specific goal. All right, now we're moving down to that middle level, the ad set. And this is where the real magic of the platform happens, because this is where you get to decide exactly who is going to see your ad. You can start with the basics, sure, things like age and location, but the real detail, the real power comes from targeting interests. I mean, things like pages people have liked or topics they follow. You can even target behaviors, like telling Facebook to specifically show your ad only to people who have a history of clicking Shop Now buttons. It's pretty amazing. And this is just a perfect example of how that works. You know, targeting everyone interested in shoes is way too broad. You'll get everyone. But if you add a second layer that they must also be interested in formal wear, well, you suddenly filter out all the noise and are left with your perfect customer. And that's really the core idea here, isn't it? It's not about just shouting your message to the biggest crowd you can find. It's about starting a conversation with the right people. I mean, 100 genuinely interested people are always going to be way more valuable than 10,000 who just don't care. So finally, we're at the ad level. This is the bottom of the pyramid, and it's the part that people are actually going to see scrolling through their feed. This is your invitation to the party. You know, the ads that work best these days often don't even look like ads. They use authentic, lifestyle-focused photos or videos of real people enjoying a product. When you pair that with some great text and a really clear call to action like Shop Now, you've got the formula to make someone stop scrolling and actually pay attention. But launching your ad isn't the finish line, not even close. It's really just the starting line. The real secret to success, the real growth, comes from understanding the data that your campaign gives back to you. And the most powerful tool for this is the Facebook Pixel. Now, don't let the name scare you. Just think of it like a helpful little assistant that you install on your website. It just watches what people do after they click your ad. Did they add something to their cart? Did they end up buying it?